Well, today we were celebrating the children raising money for United Way. They had a goal of 2,024 for the year 2024, but they went above and beyond and raised $2,278. Our principal, Miss Avery, she was challenged to do a fear factor activity that the counselors put together. We had the entire school in the cafeteria, and she had to put on a blindfold and guess what she was touching.
I am willing to face my fear, but we have a blast.
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my God! Oh! Is this a kitty?
Oh, listen to me! Okay, just do it slowly.
Once it's over, I'm so excited that we did it. The kids just love it. You could hear them today just getting so excited. Our kiddos just have the biggest hearts and their families. The community outreach that we try to do, our students really just go above and beyond. And when I say we surpassed it by $700. So even though it makes me scared to come down here and touch all of these silly, crazy, slimy things, watching my students' excitement makes it all worth it.